We forgot to wash Lennox's soccer clothes, so we might be a little late to soccer. Everything's fine. It's fine. Oh, am I supposed to put olive oil? I'm planning my week, kind of, sort of. One thing I'm working on is making sure I'm maintaining my health. I'm a health and wellness person, like you know. So how do I maintain my health this year is by working out 5 times a week. I did say 4 times a week, but then I realized, according to the American Heart Association, you need to be working out 150 minutes a week. So 50 minutes a week divided by 5 times a week is 30 minutes a day. So that's for 5. Now I'm gonna go into my Peloton app because that's what I use to fuel me. You know, I'll be fueling y'all like on my YouTube channel. If you're not following me already over on YouTube, make sure you are at Leslie Pittman. I provide wellness content, yoga videos, meditation, all of that on my YouTube. But how I make sure I'm well is on Peloton. So I'm gonna go into the Peloton app now. Maybe I'll show you guys how I do that. And you can actually schedule your workout. 9 minutes, and it will ideally be dry. Will it though?
Mommy,
we'll see. I have to remind myself that at least we have a washer and a dryer, right? Like that's how I ground myself back down, is through gratitude. As corny as it may sound, like if you roll your eyes when I say that, it's because you don't get it. Because I will spiral. I will literally be like, oh my God, I'm the worst mom in the world. How could I? But then I literally have to be like, girl, like there was only a bunch of other things I was doing. He was sick this whole week. Thankfully, he's better now. So it's like, all right, we made it. You can't see my watch, but it is 7:57. So we made it. Soccer starts in 3 minutes. It's like I don't even have that much stuff, but I'm not. Everything's in my hand. Oh, am I supposed to put olive oil and then that? Oh, no, let's try this again. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil.